Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we got a lot of things going on. We got the 330i in the garage, which is super weird because she hasn't been in here in a very long time. We got Jonathan over here, which is super interesting, and he got the lights for him. He's my boy over here. So we got a lot of things going on this channel today guys, and I'm sorry for not uploading the past 2 days. That's completely unusual for me. I've been uploading like every 2 days for a very long time, but this week with school was super messed up, and at the same time, I couldn't get the videos out because the GoPro footage kept on messing up. I tried to do the whole GoPro thing. I will still try to do it, guys. Don't worry, I'll still get a drive in the 335. You guys are probably looking at the thumbnail and the title like, yo, what is going on, Nour? We'll talk about that in the end of the video. Also, guys, the giveaway winner, I'm gonna throw in the clip right now.
All right, guys, just so you guys know, this is first take. I'm gonna go ahead and go to Glim so we can pick out the winner here. Go to finished, carbon fiber. Look how much entries. It's not bad. It's not bad. And let's go to winners. All right, guys. Moment of truth. Who won the carbon fiber mirror cap giveaway? And I don't know, man. Should I click it? Should I click it? Should I click it? Nah, I'm kidding. We're gonna click it. Draw a winner. Yes, one winner. I only have one pair, unless you want to give you one side to each person, and then they can fight for the other. Allow repeated winners. Well, I mean, if someone wins twice in a row, good for them. So, all right. So I guess Khalid Fadan. Is the winner.
So yeah, congratulations, my dude. I'm gonna be shipping those out today. So I actually have a package. I'm about to ship them out today. Congratulations to you, my guy. You are on the other side of the world, so shout out to the shipping costs. Well, whatever it is, I got you, fam. I also, a lot of you guys have been messaging me whenever I do little drives on my Instagram about the push button starts. So I actually picked up a few of these, I think about 15 of them. I got a few, I purchased them by a seller. I got 15 of them. If you guys want any, I'll be selling them in the combo deal with the decals. So it'll be on my, pretty much my website down below with the decals. So if you guys purchase the decals, you'll also be getting the push start all in one combo. So yeah, if you want just decals, there's a link for that. Or if you want the push button starts, the blue one with the screwdriver and everything, and then the decals with it. There's also going to be a link for that as well. It's all on the same link. Just click that link and it should direct you. But yeah, before we start talking about what's going on with the whole 335 and 330i issue, let's just start fixing up both these cars right now, because there's a few things that I need to move over, like some of the mods and stuff. And there's not the mods, but like some things I need to do, and I need to fix up the wrap on the 335. So hopefully we should get that all done in this video, and we'll discuss what's going on with these two cars. This was under my car. What is this? Yeah. My phone was on this car, dude. Alright guys, we're gonna go start up Yusuf's Civic because he wants me to start up. It's been a couple days. He wants to really know if the battery, died. So test number 1. Doors unlocked. That's a good sign. And you guys are gonna hear the startup of a 2016 Honda Civic. That's what we're talking about. You guys hear that purr? Oh my lord. Hear this 4-cylinder, boys. Dude, is there even exhaust on this car? I see smoke. I'm only hearing the engine. She's coming together. She's not too shabby. Alright guys, we just took about 12 hours trying to get that thumbnail picture, which is, whatever. So right now guys, I don't know if you guys know, but this car has the clips that are retrofitted. I need these clips over on that 335 because I did get the brown interior in the 335. So let's go ahead, remove these door panels and then get the clips off, and then get the other car inside and remove them and pretty much swap them all out. So we gotta do that first. And then we got a couple wrapping things to fix on the 335. And then toward the end of the day, I'm actually gonna get the car coated. To have somebody coming over, or somebody gonna be taking over my computer. Is gonna be coating the adaptive headlight, and he's gonna be coating the, what's it called? The flat tire, because I got a new CCC, so it's not resetting. So I'll show you guys that, what he's doing. I'll show you guys the software that he's using, so if you guys are interested in and wanting to download it and stuff like that. So just stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get to work, because we got a lot of things to do before we actually announce like what's really going on with these cars. Alright guys, while, we're working on the car, I have somebody that's going to be doing some remote, he's going to be pretty much installing some programs. Shout out to Jonathan for bringing the laptop, so shout out to you, my guy. And then basically, we're going to get this laptop ready to hopefully code out all my errors, and then we'll tell you what we're doing for the 335 in the end again. All right, guys, he went ahead and messaged me, so I think we are good to go. So let's go ahead, give him access to this thing. We're using TeamViewer for this. So obviously you want to have TeamViewer because it's the only way you can actually take over your computer. I think the free way, at least. Let's get rid of all this Dude, I hate PC laptops. They're so stupid slow.
Hey, it's my laptop we're talking about.
Okay, well, you found this one in the garage, you know what I mean? Hey, guys, look at the good news. He says we have pretty good connection, my dudes. He's taking over, as you can see. He's moving the mouse. I'm not even touching it. He's about to do his work over here with the BMW tools. And we'll let him do his thing. He's going to download a few more files, and then when we're ready to go, we're going to go ahead and plug that input cable into my BMW, and he should be able to code out this stuff, and he's going to show me how to do a few of these things. Maybe down the road I can show you guys more in depth. All right, guys, while he's doing his thing, let's go ahead and get back to work. Alright guys, so we just got the cables hooked up, the laptop right here, got the cable connected, so you do have to make sure your cable is connected. He told me to leave the car on, so that's exactly what I did. Pretty much have all the cables connected here to make sure this laptop doesn't die on me either. Car is on, so it's powered on. Currently the lights I have, guys, is the low tire, and I have adaptive headlights. So he's gonna fix both of those. The low tires, because I code out the TPMS, he's gonna fix that by coding it back in. And the adaptive headlight, he's gonna go ahead and remove the code. Guys, so he's doing the coding. He just texted me saying to reboot the CCC. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Jump in the car. So he's saying hold down the eject. I believe it's these two buttons right here. So we're gonna hold this down until the CCC reboots. And there we go. So now it's rebooting. I'm gonna go ahead and send him a text message. So telling me to let me know. Alright, so the CCC did reboot. It's good to go. Yep, and it's fully booted up. So as you guys can see, let's go ahead and let him know. Oh shit! It's giving me an option to reset the tire pressure. So he actually coded that in, I believe. Yeah, he did. FTM. He coded in FTM. Let me show you guys this. So now there's an actual option to reset. I'm gonna go ahead and try to reset that real quick. Click on reset. Show how to reset that. Yes. Okay, so I clicked the reset. He said the light should turn on and off, and it just did. So that's exactly what it did right there. I believe it reset. So I'm gonna go ahead and go down to home. Go over here to info and sources, service info, check control. Oh shit! Bam! Left tail lamp, that's new. Probably just lost the ball right now. Nothing goes out in Beamers. The headlamp, so just adaptive headlight right now. So we got rid of the TPMS, the flat tire. So that's awesome. Now we can actually, the CCC is able to reset it from there. So it's got coded in with the car, which is perfect. He says, can you turn the engine on and off? On and off. Yes, I will. Alright guys, I believe he coded everything out. It's just the brake light and everything. As you can see, no errors. And there's no errors on there either. Let's go ahead and click on that. Info, service info, all systems okay, boys! Adaptive headlights, so that means that these headlights are now coded in, which is amazing. So if you guys are wondering if you can put, you know, halogen headlights in X-Neon, whatever you call them, yes you can. So yeah, they're still working perfect, and he coded them in. So it's always good news. Alright guys, now that is wrapped properly. Jonathan's just doing the door handle, and then we'll do the rest of them after we eat. Alright guys. Yeah. Oh my god. You guys see that? Jonathan. Oh my lord. Okay. All systems are good. No, let me go ahead and hold. Can you hold it, Jonathan?
Of course.
Thank you. Get that back real quick. Would y'all look at that? There's no lights at all. Looks so satisfying. Look at that. All systems are good to go. All the maintenance is good to go. All right, guys, so that's awesome. We finally have purified the soul of this baby. Look at the rear sunshades as well. You gotta show them those sunshades. Like, come on, guys. Like, we're doing all them retrofits out here. It's just, this car is really coming together, and obviously the ending of this video is not gonna be the best, but as you guys saw from the title, I am gonna discuss it just a little bit, and that's the fact that I'm actually planning, I'm not planning, but I'm considering on selling the 335 and my 330i. The 330i is a guaranteed gonna be sold. Like, I'm gonna get rid of that car because we need to move on to better and bigger projects. But the 335, it is finally done. Everything's complete. The car has been maintained. Even preventive maintenance, like a valve cover got done, walnut blast, mods like upgrading the charge pipe, intercooler, for any things that could possibly damage the car. We did it. We did pretty much everything to this car. The car is absolutely solid, and I'm thankful, and I'm glad, and I'm happy. But content-wise, guys, there's a lot of things going on, and I'm thinking the right decision is to sell both my cars. We'll discuss that as soon as I get home. We're gonna go ahead and vacuum up the carpets, get something to eat, and then we'll talk when I get back home. Where's that eco button? That's that eco button. Woohoo! Happy birthday! No, seriously, I gotta work on the gas. I can't afford that. Microphone finally on?
I think so. Okay. You be the main guy in this.
Okay, guys, this is your take two. Finally home. It's been like 12 hours since we ate, so we're gonna eat again in a little bit. And it's been a long day of us just literally working on the 335, making it perfect, fixing all the air lights, fixing everything in the car. Every little thing that was wrong with it, we fixed it today. We didn't show you guys on video a lot of the things because it was just very small things. It was just kind of a pain to have a camera going to an area that's kind of dark, and it's already raining and it got dark at 5. So, you know, we worked in like 7 hours in the dark. So it's whatever, we got a lot of stuff done. So as you guys can see from the title of this video, we are selling both my cars. So it isn't really, I'm selling both my cars. I have Jonathan, you know, just supporting my decision.
More support.
So I'm selling both cars, not because I want to sell 335 right now. It's because we're done with the builds. You guys saw, I can just bring the camera around right here. You guys saw that the F30 is pretty much done. It just needs the logo and the rest of the body kit once my brother gets more money from Toyota. So you guys, he got a new job, so he's got a little bit more money to work on that. We are college student guys. We're not some rich YouTubers. We're broke as shit, and we're just trying to pull through to make content for you guys, and that's all that really matters. Jonathan's always here helping us out, so we're thankful for that. He helped detail the whole interior as well, so shout out to him for that. But yeah, like we just enjoy doing this stuff, mainly for content purposes. So right now, both cars are for sale, and the reason why I'm selling both of them at the same time is because the 330i, the pink slip hasn't came in yet. I want to sell that car first and get another project for the meantime, but the pink slip isn't going to come in for another 3 to 4 weeks.
and I don't know if I can just not upload for 3 to 4 weeks because I don't want to upload irrelevant content. So that does mean I have to sell my 335 right now, which is, you know, I love the car. Barely had time to fully enjoy it, but I feel like if I sell it and as soon as that pink slip comes in and I sell the 330i, we can look for some pretty crazy builds, builds that I never even thought about. So it's gonna be really fun on the channel. Of course, I'm gonna stay German. I'm gonna try to stay as BMW. I'm gonna hopefully maybe get some M cars on the channel. It's very exciting stuff. I hope you guys support my decision. All you guys wanted to see me tune the car and do some kind of, you know, dowmpipes. But the reason why I didn't do the dowmpipes is because of smog purposes. When you sell a car in California now, you have to smog. And this dude has to deal with that shit too right now. Man. It's so stupid. You have to smog to sell a car. So, you know, and if I put dowmpipes, good luck. Doing it legally at least, you know, I mean, yeah, I got the, you know, hookups, but I ain't trying to do anything illegal up in here. So that's the reason for that. And then the tune, I don't want it to mess up the turbos because I did have this plan on the side of my mind that I might sell the car, so I didn't want to tune it, mess up the turbos, and have to deal with, you know, I have to sell a car to fix a car because I'm not financially stable to afford that right now. So if I sell both cars, guys, we should be able to bring better content.
This is really depressing.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really want to, I didn't want to say goodbye to 335, guys. Like, as you saw from yesterday's post on Instagram, if you guys follow me on Instagram, which you probably should. I love the 335. I enjoy taking pictures of it. I love driving it. Even Jonathan just like just likes hearing the turbo, just whenever he gets
turbos.
You know,
oh man,
it's just so much fun. And if I had the Burbo tune, it would have been gnarly.
Tickets for days.
Tickets for days out here in Cali. So yeah, I mean, it's whatever. That's life. It's not like goodbye to BMW. Yeah. We're only gonna get better builds from here on out.
And it's possible that I might get a 335.
He might honestly get a 335, and if he gets it, I'm gonna blow up his car.
my car, not his car, my car.
We'll go crazy on his car, and that's something he'll end up keeping. He won't actually just do a build to sell. He'll probably end up keeping, and he'll make it crazy. And I'll help him. And yeah, so hopefully, guys, we'll still see a 335 down the road. He has his 350Z for sale right now, and once he sells it, you know, that's that. But yeah, right now, I'm not selling the 335 because I don't have the pink slip. I'm selling the 335. I have a link down in the description to the Craigslist ad if you guys want to check it out. There's not a single issue with the car right now. It's pretty much mint. We did all the maintenance. So like if you guys ever worried about valve covers, a walnut blast, you know, anything at all, I like that type of maintenance, that all got done. Of course, oil changes I've already done 2 oil changes in 4,000 miles. I think I'm pretty good.
That's pretty good.
I'm a pretty good owner, if you ask me. And of course, we upgraded a lot of things to make sure the engine cools properly. But yeah, I'll have the link down below, pictures of the car, everything I've done to the car, and if whoever that buys this car, I don't know if you guys have seen the new outro. Have you seen the new outro? Like, yeah. So basically I have a new outro. Whoever that purchases a car, I have a picture of the car and that person's Instagram, and basically it's gonna be shouted out for pretty much the rest of my life because I greatly appreciate you guys who purchase my builds because that really helps me move on and create more content for you guys. So it's kind of like a shout out for life. Like your Instagram with a picture of the car that you bought, and pretty much it'll, you know, I just feel like it's a cool thing to do.
I think it's a good idea.
It's pretty dope. And then also everyone that purchases a car from me, I want to host an event when I get like my dream car. I want to host the event for everyone who's ever purchased a car from me to come together so we can see all the cars. True, they're not my cars, but we can see how you guys changed them, and you know, just gather around and just, you know, have a good time because I want to see what you guys do to these cars because I love these cars. And how they turn out, you know, maybe in a year or 2 from now. That's pretty much it. I don't want to, you know, ramble on too much. I hope you guys enjoyed the cinematic as well. I think it was a pretty good lighting, honestly. Like we were kind of worried about the lighting and everything, but I think it was pretty good. I haven't edited the video yet, but we'll have to see. Dude, college has been crazy. I have to run in. We're about to go get some food, Taco Bell again, because you know. They're always been talking about that Taco Bell. We ate something else this morning. Had it with burgers. But we're super healthy people, by the way. Super healthy. So yeah, we're about to just go in. We're about to go get some food, and I gotta go upstairs, do some homework, and then watch a movie because Jonathan's over. We can't just go to bed. And he's actually gonna come into school with me tomorrow. So yeah, he's actually gonna go to my college. So we might record a little bit after. We'll see what happens. But without further ado, guys, I love you guys so much. Make sure to check out that link. And if you guys want also push starts, a link will be that in the description as well for that. So yeah, peace out. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
She got me saying, yalla, baby, I need you to see me. Quick with the front and then put your guard down, girl, we know you ain't easy. She got me saying, yalla, baby, I need you to see me. Quick with the front and then put your guard down, girl, we know you ain't easy. You know, you're all